Good afternoon guys. So by the way, I'm Jake Barcero. So in this video, we're going to perform a general shortcut on Excel by using laptop in order to make your work easier or more faster. So let's go. So first we have here Control plus I to apply or remove italic. So just like for example, we will type Jake, Jake, Jake. So as you can see, it applied italic. And then if you remove the italic, so just select those word and then click the Control plus I. So next we have here the Control C, Control plus C. So in Control plus C, so you will copy the word. Just like for example, we will select this names. We will select these names and then we will click the Control plus C. So it will automatically copy. So copy na siya. So as you can see, naka-copy na siya. Next we have the Control plus X. So in Control plus X, so you will just Control plus wait Control plus X to cut words. So next we have the Control plus V. So in Control plus V, Control plus V. Just like in example, you have already copied the words. So you just simply click the Control plus V in order to paste the word. So that's it. So next we have the Control plus Z. In Control plus Z, you'll just Control plus Z. It is an undo. So next we have Control plus U. Control plus U is to apply or remove the underline. So just like for example, so we will click the Control plus U, Control plus U. So and then type the word Jake, name Jake. So it have a underline. Then if you want to remove that, so just select the name and then click the Control plus U. So next we have Control plus G to display go to dialog. So Control plus G, Control plus G. So you will automatically go to the dialog. And then next is the F2, edit the active cell. So we have here the F2. So F2. And then next we have the F7, open spell check. F7, open a spell check. And then next is the tab. We have the tab to move one cell to the right. So just like for example, if you click this and then if you want to move that to the right, just click the tab. Okay, so next we have now the escape. Escape is to cancel the entry or cancel this entry. So just like for example, you click escape here now, so the entry will cancel. Okay, so next we have now the Control D, autofill. Control D to autofill, and then Control Shift plus W. We have in Control Shift plus Control plus Shift plus W to freeze panes. So you will click together the Control plus Shift and then the W. Then next we have the Control Shift plus up arrow to unhide rows. Control Shift plus this arrow, up arrow. And then next we have the Control Shift plus left arrow to move the left. So click together the control shift and the left arrow here to move to the left. And then next we have the control plus spacebar to select the entire column. And then the last one, we have the control plus shift if you want to apply percentage. Control shift plus percent, the percent symbol or sign here in 5. So you just simply click the control shift plus percent. So that's all.